Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we looked at a basic crowdfunding application deployed on Conflux eSpace Testnet. In this video, we focus on the frontend, how the DApp works in the browser, and how it connects to the smart contract behind the scenes. Live demo, e-wallet, contribute, withdraw. Let me connect my wallet first. After connecting, I'll contribute CFX to the campaign. The funding goal for this campaign is 1 CFX, so I'll send that amount from my account. In a future version, we could add a rule so the campaign creator cannot contribute to their own campaign. For now, I'll donate the full goal amount of 1 CFX. You can see the time left for donations on the dashboard. The campaign runs until that deadline. I contributed the full 1 CFX before the deadline. If I try to contribute again, the transaction is blocked because the campaign has already ended on-chain. Once the campaign ends and the goal is reached, the withdraw funds option appears for the creator. That action is only available after the deadline. The UI shows time left, end time, and a live countdown. The contract info section lists the contract address, creator, network, and chain ID. This entire project is deployed on Conflux eSpace Testnet. When I click Withdraw Funds, the raised CFX is sent to the campaign owner's wallet address. That completes the successful path on the frontend. How the frontend talks to the smart contract. The important part is the connection between the frontend and the smart contract. Configuration lives in environment files, for example .env.local. There we set the contract address, chain ID, RPC URL, and block explorer. Those values tell the app which network and which deployed contract to use. The main integration logic is in hooks use-crowdfund.ts. That hook imports the contract ABI, contract address, and helper utilities from lib contract.ts. The ABI defines which smart contract functions the app can call, such as contribute, withdraw, and refund, so the frontend and remix stay in sync. Inside the hook, I define a campaign data interface. It shapes the data we expose to the UI, creator, goal, deadline, total raised, the user's contribution, and whether the campaign has ended or reached its goal. We create an ethers contract instance using the ABI and address. With that object, we call view functions like creator, goal, deadline, and total raised to load live state from the blockchain. We also compare the chain's current block time with the deadline to decide if the campaign has ended. When a user contributes, the hook calls contribute on the contract and passes the CFX amount as MSG value. For withdraw, it calls withdraw. For refund, it calls refund. The same functions you see in Remix are the ones triggered from the UI buttons. Smart contract recap. The call logic is in cfxcrowd.sol, SimpleCrowdfund. In the constructor, we set the goal in CFX and the campaign duration in minutes, not a Unix timestamp. After deployment, anyone can contribute before the deadline. If the goal is met, the creator can withdraw after the deadline. If the goal is not met, contributors can refund their deposits. We covered the contract in an earlier video. Here the focus was the front-end bridge and a full testnet walkthrough. Closing. That's how this crowdfunding DApp works end-to-end on Conflux eSpace Testnet, from wallet connection and contributions to withdrawal, all driven by ethers.js and the SimpleCrowdfund contract. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Web3 builds. See you in the next one.